Hello everyone. In previous lecture we discussed the classifications of alcohol. Today we will start the remaining part of alcohol, that is classifications of alcohols, in which first the alcohol containing sp3 hydroxyl bond. The alkyl alcohol, there are three types of alkyl alcohol, and these alkyl alcohols are classified into number 1 primary alcohol, number 2 secondary alcohol, number 3 tertiary alcohol. We discuss one by one. Number first, in alkyl alcohol, first the primary alcohol. For example, here CH3 CH2OH, and it having the IUPAC name is ethanol. And the question is that to what type of carbon hydroxyl group is attached. This is a question. That means the what type of carbon hydroxyl group is attached. That means this one here, and the answer of that question, it is a primary. That means this hydroxyl group is attached to the a primary carbon atom. Therefore, the definitions of the primary alcohol simple. In primary alcohol, the hydroxyl group is attached to the primary carbon atom or primary carbon. It is called as primary alcohol. How will you identify the primary alcohol? Hydroxyl group is attached to the a primary carbon atom or the primary carbon is called as primary alcohol. Next, secondary alcohol. In case of secondary alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. This is a simple definition of secondary alcohol. In secondary alcohol, hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. For example, here the CH3 CHOH CH3, this is the example here, and name of this compound, it is isopropyl alcohol or the secondary propyl alcohol. Here this carbon here mentioned, this carbon is a secondary carbon because it is joined to this is a secondary carbon. Okay, and the secondary carbon, it is this hydroxyl group is attached to the a secondary carbon. How will you identify secondary carbon? It attached to this two, therefore this is secondary carbon. This is secondary carbon is okay, and here therefore the definitions of secondary alcohol, hydroxyl group is joined to the secondary carbon. That means first we have to identify the secondary carbon. Okay, now the next, or here the IUPAC name is propanol 2 or the propane 2 all. Okay, the next, tertiary alcohols. In tertiary alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary or the tertiary carbon atom. Here the example, that means this hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. The star here, or name of this compound here, tertiary butyl alcohol, and the star is a tertiary carbon atom. That means this one is the a tertiary carbon atom. That means hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon. Then the such a alcohol, it is the tertiary alcohol. That means here primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. In case of primary alcohol, hydroxyl group is attached to the primary carbon atom. In secondary alcohol, hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. And in case of tertiary alcohol, the hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Okay, this is about the classifications of the alcohols. And here the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Next one, alcohol containing sp3 hydroxyl bond, in which allylic alcohol, and these allylic alcohols having the hydroxyl group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon carbon double bond, that is an allylic carbon. Okay, that means hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon carbon double bond. Such arrangement is called as allylic carbon. Now these allylic alcohols are classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. We discuss one by one. First, the primary allylic alcohol. For example, in a given example here, the CH2CH, that means this is allylic, CH2CH, CH2OH, that means the CH2CH, this is attached to a primary carbon atom. Therefore, this is an example of a primary allylic alcohol. And if you start the numbering, we know that the numbering is always starting from nearest to the hydroxyl group. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. Hence, name of the compound is prop, because 3 carbon, 2 in, because at 2 number position there is double bond, CH, double bond CH2, 2 in, 1 ol. Next, secondary allylic alcohol. For example, secondary allylic alcohol, this allylic double bond, that means CH2CH, it is attached to the sp3 carbon, that means it is attached to a secondary carbon atom. Therefore, this is an example of the secondary allylic alcohol. CH2CH double bond is attached to the secondary carbon. Therefore, this is an example of secondary allylic alcohol. And if you start numbering, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, name of the compound 4 carbon. Therefore, but 3 in 2 ol. Okay. And last one is the tertiary allylic alcohol. For example, tertiary allylic alcohol, that means this allylic double bond, that means CH2CH, it is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom. And here the name of this compound, first giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. And hence the name of the compound is 2-methyl, 2, because at 2 number position there is methyl, 2-methyl but 3 in, because 3 number position there is double bond, 3 in 2 ol. In this way we classified primary allylic alcohol, secondary allylic alcohol, and tertiary allylic alcohol. In case of primary allylic alcohol, that means the allylic double bond is joined to the primary carbon atom. In secondary allylic alcohol, this double bond is joined to the secondary carbon atom, and in tertiary allylic alcohol, this double bond is joined to the tertiary carbon atom. Okay, in this way we remember the primary, secondary, and tertiary allylic alcohol. Okay, thank you.